Ooh, what's this? There's going to be some major changes coming soon to the studio here. Welcome back, Christine. Here, it's a beautiful day outside. It's officially, spring came early, but we've had some wacky weather. I'm not complaining, still knitting on the sweater, making some progress. Bought some wood, changed up the hair. If you keep watching, you saw that I dyed autumn and it gave me an idea, and yep, poof, came to fruition. So I bought this wood and I love the details of it. And I don't know if I just want straight shelves behind me just to put some stuff on. As I stated before, every time I have a horizontal platform to lay something on, it gets something laid on. And I'm not looking forward to having a lot. And I did buy 2 of these, and they're 36 inches long. So I'll have to go to the hardware store here soon, figure out what I'm going to do with these, maybe make a video about it. But I also did something else. And I can't show you right now, but I did make a new logo. And I know everyone liked my little happy sheep that I drew up and have had for the last 2.5 years or more, so I thought it was also a good time to start changing that up. So not only with spring cleaning of old colorways, changing up a little bit of shelving here in the studio, give you a little more visual backdrop here other than my wall that I love. Also prepping for the show that's coming up June 1st that I'm doing. So lots of things changing here. Hopefully the printer will have some new wraps for me, and all my wraps will be changing on my yarns, and the new logo, once all that comes in, then I'll be able to show you. So I hope you're finding today a happy day and creating something wonderful. I know it's kind of tough having multiple projects going on at once, or multiple different hobbies, and how to prioritize them. And I find that sometimes one takes over more than another. A lot of people say that I'm a fast knitter. It's not that I'm a fast knitter. I try to prioritize. Like I say I'm going to, like yesterday, I knitted for 2 hours. And I did. Yeah, there was breaks in between, but I knitted for 2 hours on the sweater. And then I went and did something else. Did I go back to knitting? No. So today I have planned for another hour or so of knitting, and that's how I do it and get it done. So I plan my days around the projects. Now going to the hardware store, yes, but I think I'm going to research online a little bit, maybe making some boxes or something unique so that it's not just a flat line. I think we've got enough lines on here. We need to break it up a bit. And I saw some cool honeycomb things, and maybe I'll get out the saw and do that after I knit for a little while. So as always, it's been great to see you. Sorry it's another vlogish style, not a tutorial, but I also want to let you into my life a little bit and how I do things and how I get things accomplished. So maybe that'll help you in your projects and your hobbies if you have multiple hobbies like I do. So happy creating. Get out there and just get it done and have fun with it. And as always, please like, subscribe, and comment on what your hobbies are. I'd love to hear some of them. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. And Blah, cut. There's gonna be some changes coming to the cut.